Okay, this is Ferreira from Any House Cleaning, and this is the sewing room. We move the bed so she will have more space. And Sandra is putting her new machine. Yeah, awesome. So she has something to start. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and you can contact us at 407-572-4118. Don't let your dreams die. If you want a sewing room and you don't have time to fix the bed, put away things, organize a little bit, just call us 407-572-4118. I'm really happy with today, with the job that we did. Awesome. We are the bomb. Okay, can you check, please? Can you come and check? So I don't know what you think.
Yes. Love it.
At least you have something to start, right?
Right. No,
I saw in Pinterest so many ideas that you can put like a pegboard.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, I was thinking that. No, this is good.
Okay. And the kid, he's happy, right?
Oh yeah, he's definitely happy.
Okay, she rearranged this little guy from Cuba. We changed the table, the position, and everything about games is here.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
I put 2 new containers and those.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, and she put on the wall the guns.
Yeah, that's cute.
Awesome.
No, this is good because that way he can just play in here instead of having to
Yeah.
run upstairs because all this stuff ends up down here anyway. So.
Yep. So we are done for today.
Okay. Do you guys take cards or?
Yes.
Okay. And then
¿Has visto mi clip? ¿Has visto mi clip?
Sí, son bolsas.
A ver, fíjate por favor.
You're coming back next week
Okay.
to do the other stuff.
Yes. I spent 20 in this little guy and 30 here, and 10 in those 2 containers. So it's 60, additional 60 for the things. Okay. I took the risk. I know that you said that you want to work with the things that you have, but it's worth it. Believe me, I didn't charge you for the time and driving to get those things.
Okay, well, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
No, it looks good though. I like it.
Excellent.